The world of 360-degree action cameras is about to get even more exciting as rumors swirl around DJI's highly anticipated entry into the space with the OSMO 360. This camera, which is yet to be officially confirmed but has been widely leaked across social media, could be DJI's most direct challenge yet to Insta360, the undisputed leader in the 360 action camera market. With the Insta360 X5 already available and offering an impressive suite of features, potential buyers are now faced with a classic dilemma. Should they wait for DJI's OSMO 360 or go ahead and invest in the X5? To answer this, we need to take a close and thoughtful look at both cameras, considering everything from sensor size and video quality to ecosystem integration, pricing, and real-world usability. Let's start with the heart of any camera, the sensor. Based on leaks and insider reports, the DJI Osmo 360 is expected to feature dual 1/1.2 8-inch sensors, which puts it on par with the Insta360 X5 in terms of raw hardware. These are relatively large sensors for a device of this type, and their importance cannot be overstated. Larger sensors typically mean better image quality, particularly in difficult lighting situations, and allow for more detailed footage with less noise and better dynamic range. The X5 has already proven itself in this area, with its sensors delivering sharp and vibrant footage, even in dim lighting. Its pure video mode, backed by AI-powered noise reduction and enhanced dynamic range, is especially useful for low-light shooting. If DJI manages to deliver similar or better performance with its Osmo 360, it would be a major win for users who often shoot at night or in challenging environments. Video resolution is another critical factor. The Insta360 X5 supports 8K recording at 30 frames per second, along with 5.7K at 60 frames per second, and other combinations like 4K at 120 frames per second. These options give users the flexibility to choose between maximum resolution or high frame rates depending on their needs. The rumored DJI Osmo 360 appears to match these capabilities almost exactly, with expectations of 8K at 30 frames per second and 5.7K at 60 frames per second. This means, at least on paper, the two cameras are tied in terms of maximum video output. However, if DJI includes HDR video and a flat log color profile, both of which are rumored, it could appeal more to professionals who require post-production flexibility. A log profile in particular is a valuable addition for color grading, giving content creators greater creative control over the final look of their footage. Then there's the matter of software and user experience. This is where Insta360 has a clear and proven edge, thanks to its mature and widely praised app ecosystem. The Insta360 app offers a rich feature set that includes automatic reframing, object tracking, AI-driven editing tools, and seamless sharing options. These features make editing and publishing content intuitive, even for beginners, and are a big part of why Insta360 continues to lead the 360 market. DJI, while experienced with apps like DJI Mimo for its other cameras, has yet to prove itself in this specific arena. It remains to be seen whether the company will adapt Mimo to support 360 editing or release a dedicated new app. Either way, software will be a critical factor in determining whether the Osmo 360 can truly compete. Hardware alone won't be enough if the user experience doesn't feel complete from shoot to share. Build quality and design are also worth discussing. Leaked images of the DJI Osmo 360 show a design that closely resembles the X5. Compact, rugged, and finished in a matte dark gray with dual ultra-wide lenses. The layout of the touchscreen and physical buttons is slightly different, which could impact ease of use, but the general form factor seems familiar and practical. The Insta360 X5 is also built to withstand the elements, with a waterproof rating of up to 49 feet, 15 meters, and improved drop resistance over its predecessor. Its lenses are user replaceable, a thoughtful feature that extends the device's longevity, especially for users who often record in extreme environments. Whether DJI will match these durability features is currently unknown, but it's a key area where even small differences could affect a buying decision for those who depend on their gear surviving tough conditions. Battery life is another point of interest. The Insta360 X5 comes equipped with a 2,400 mAh battery and also includes an endurance mode to help extend runtime. This provides users with a decent amount of shooting time, which is essential for action-heavy use cases like sports, travel, and live events. As of now, there's no confirmed information about the Osmo 360's battery capacity or endurance features, which makes it a potential area of concern. If DJI can at least match the X5's performance here, or even improve upon it, it could offer additional incentive for users to hold off and see what DJI brings to the table. When it comes to storage, both cameras are likely to support micro SD cards, with the Insta360 X5 allowing up to 1 TB of external memory. This level of storage is crucial for handling large 8K video files, especially when recording for extended periods. DJI will almost certainly offer similar storage capabilities, though we don't yet know if it will include internal storage or rely solely on external cards. Including high-speed internal storage, even in limited capacity, would be a smart move by DJI and could help set it apart. Audio is another aspect that sometimes gets overlooked, but it's particularly important for vloggers and on-the-go creators. The Insta360 X5 includes built-in wind noise reduction and decent onboard mics, but most professionals still opt for external audio solutions. DJI, known for its high-quality mic systems, might bundle the Osmo 360 with improved audio features or offer seamless integration with the upcoming DJI Mic 3, which is rumored to launch alongside the camera. If so, this could significantly elevate the Osmo 360's appeal for users who care deeply about audio quality. Now let's talk pricing, one of the biggest unknowns surrounding the DJI Osmo 360. The Insta360 X5 is a premium camera and is priced accordingly, reflecting its high-end features and robust ecosystem. If DJI wants to seriously challenge Insta360, it may have to offer the Osmo 360 at a more competitive price point or include extra value in the package, such as free accessories, enhanced app functionality, or extended warranty support. Until pricing details are confirmed, this remains one of the key factors for anyone trying to decide whether to buy now or wait. Looking at launch timing, the Insta360 X5 is already available and has been tested in the real world, receiving strong reviews from creators who value its quality, durability, and advanced features. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo 360 is rumored to be launching on July 15, 2025, just weeks away. That's not a long wait, especially if you're on the fence. If the leaks are accurate and they've come from reliable sources, then it might be worth holding out just a little longer to see what DJI officially announces.